Joining Lenovo's new budget lineup is Lenovo 14W Enterprise Notebook, an alternate to Chromebook that offers Windows instead of Chrome OS. The model strikes a balance between features and cost, offering enterprise customers an inexpensive notebook capable of getting their workers or students online and connected to business services and cost only $129 at the time of this review. So please stick around till the end of this video to enjoy the review. First, let's talk about the specs. Our unit came with 7th generation AMD A6 922C dual-core processor, 4GB DDR4 RAM, 64GB hard drive, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 4.2, 720p webcam, 14-inch Full HD IPS display, AMD integrated graphics, 57 Wh battery, and weighs only 3.3 pounds. The new Lenovo 14W notebook body features aluminum design, set to be durable enough for classroom use. It is lightweight for its size. It is nice looking, nicely built notebook. First impression from a visual standpoint are extremely impressive when compared to other notebooks in this price category. The body feels solid, and there's no creaking, and the base is fairly rigid around the corners. According to Lenovo, it meets military specification testing and has reinforced ports and hinges. It is drop resistance up to 29 inches. It has also spill resistance keyboard with mechanically anchored keys. The laptop weighs only 3.3 pounds, so it can easily fit in a bag or backpack and carry around school or college campus. Lenovo 14W Enterprise Notebook is equipped with latest range of ports. On one side we have one USB-C port for charging the laptop, one USB 3 port, SD card reader, headphone and microphone jack combo. On the other side we have HDMI port and one USB 3 port. The notebook has 720 front camera with 2 microphones. The camera's picture quality is enough for video calls via Skype or other applications. The camera does not perform face recognition. Overall, Lenovo 14W notebook has a design that is simple and clean, and smooth textures hide fingerprints very well. The Lenovo 14W notebook display has thin bezels, and our unit came with 14-inch Full HD IPS display with anti-glare technology. The result is a larger, more vibrant screen. Viewing angles are okay, but not great. It is a little disappointing considering it is IPS Full HD display, and there's also a touchscreen option for faster interaction. The display's backlight is also mid-level, averaging 250 nits. This is higher than the average of most other budget notebooks in this price category. The display also has good color reproduction and accurate white balance. Full HD display showed an exceptional amount of detail when I watched different trailers or 4K contents. The Lenovo 14W visuals are handled by AMD Radeon R5 integrated graphics. Watching YouTube or Netflix 4K content looks good, and this display works very well in low light conditions. As far as the brightness concerned, it comes in around 250 nits, means laptop screen cannot be used outside. The Lenovo 14W keyboard is good for longer typing experience. This is a fast, quiet, and reliable keyboard. The pressure point is only slightly noticeable and provides a good amount of feedback. On the other hand, the key size and arrangements are very good, and keyboard and mechanical anchored keys are spill resistant. As far as the touchpad concerned, it is a big touchpad. It is also a precision touchpad, means it is very responsive and precise. In the performance section, our Lenovo 14W is equipped with 7th generation AMD A6 922C dual-core processor. The processor has 2 cores with base clock speed of 1.8 GHz and a maximum clock speed of 2.7 GHz. The processor is rated for 6 watts and can be used as fanless. The integrated Radeon GPU has 3 compute cores, which should translate to 192 shaders. In CPU-Z benchmark, notebook scores 252 points in multi-thread and 97 points in single-thread. In the storage solution, Lenovo 14W offers good read and write rates that are average in its class. Our units score 144 megabits per second read and 49 megabits per second write in SSD benchmark, thanks to its integrated 64GB SSD hard drive. The Lenovo 14W comes with 802.11 AC wireless card, which supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band, with maximum speed of 867 megabits per second. The Lenovo 14W notebook speakers are okay. They get loud enough to fill a small size room, but the sound they output is hollow and lifeless. Bass is completely absent. In the battery life department, Lenovo 14W notebook comes with 57 Wh battery. The 57 Wh battery can provide between 9 to 11 hours of runtime. While this is a bit above average for a notebook in its class, it is enough for workday away from an outlet. When it comes to upgradability, Lenovo allows you to upgrade only the wireless card. You can access the notebook motherboard by removing the screws from the back cover. You need to be careful while removing the back cover with proper tool, but the process is very simple. In the CPU cooling department, we have a big copper heatsink covering the CPU and Wi-Fi card. In order to replace Wi-Fi card, you have to remove copper heatsink. Since there is no fan and CPU is cooled passively, notebook is dead silent. But temperatures never cross 80 degrees Celsius during our test, which means cooling is sufficient enough to keep the laptop temperatures under control during CPU-intensive workloads. You can replace the wireless card, and we were able to successfully install Intel's new 802.11ax AX200 Wi-Fi 6 card without any issue. Despite Intel claims the card will only work with Intel CPUs. The Lenovo 14W notebook is a good overall performance machine. I had high expectations from Lenovo 14W notebook going into this review, and I'm pleasantly surprised by the performance of the system. The AMD processor in particular offers good CPU and GPU performance for general usage. But don't buy this machine with the intention of multitasking. It is a perfect extremely low cost machine for students to complete their Microsoft Office tasks or browsing the web, as well as watching some videos. The Lenovo 14W notebook is an educational focused system, designed for students and teachers. Lenovo 14W notebook is an excellent buy for $129. I would recommend this notebook for anyone who's in the market for sub $200 price point notebook for students or general purpose machine. Let me know what you guys think of Lenovo 14W notebook in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.